I'm going to be showing you how to switch your 1-inch setup into a 2-inch setup on your Triad. And so that will include switching out your 1-inch wedge for your 2-inch wedge, and then you'll have to switch out your 1-inch rollers for your 2-inch rollers. So the first thing I'm going to switch out is the wedge. And to get to the wedge, I'm going to have to take off this housing that is around the wedge. So to take that off, I just need to remove this bolt. Now once that bolt's removed, this housing can slide out. So now I can get to my wedge. To remove the wedge, you'll need to take out these 2 bolts right here. That's why you need to take the housing out, because it'd be very hard to get to these. So now that the wedge is unbolted, I can unplug it, and the plug is right here. Now I can take this off too. So now I'll just replace this 1-inch wedge with the 2-inch wedge. I'm gonna bolt this wedge on. And now I'm gonna plug this in. This is the bottom, this is the top. Okay, so now our wedge is replaced, and now I'm gonna take off the 1-inch rollers and replace them with the 2-inch rollers. Take off my roller, don't forget the key, and then take off the spacers. You won't need them for the 2-inch rollers. Put the key back in, place your roller on the shaft, slide it over the key, and then put your bolt back in. Same thing for the bottom. So now that your rollers and your wedge have been replaced, we can put the housing back on. And now I need to adjust my bottom overlap guide to line up with the edge of my rollers. To do that, I'll just crack this bolt right here. Now I can slide my bottom overlap guide to line up with the edge of this roller. If issues are still occurring, please visit our website at www.weldmaster.com or call into the office at 330-833-6739 for additional support. You can also schedule a service visit with one of our high qualified service technicians. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for choosing Miller Weldmaster for all your welding needs.